if you're not able to make phone calls on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just open the connection section. And from here, just make sure that you have a good internet connection. Now just tap on airplane mode and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds and turn it off from here. Now this will refresh the internet signal of your iPhone. After that, just close the connection section, and in the control center, just check if you have enabled any focus mode or not. If you have enabled any focus mode or do not disturb mode, just tap on it to turn it off. After that, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Once the force restart process is completed, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just take out the SIM card out of your iPhone, then insert it back in. Also, try to use another SIM card on your iPhone because sometimes the issue can be in your SIM card. Now, if you're using an eSIM on your iPhone, you can skip this step. After that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on About. Now, if you have a carrier update available, a pop-up will be shown on the screen to update the carrier settings. Just tap on Update and you will update the carrier settings. Then go back, and under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then just go back. Now under General, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now, by resetting the network settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now, if you have done all that and if this also did not fix your issue, then just check if the number you are calling has been blocked or not. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the phone app, then tap on it. Now under the phone settings, just tap on Blocked Contacts. Now if there is any contact available over here, just swipe it to the left side and tap on Remove. Now sometimes you might accidentally block a specific contact and this will cause this problem. So make sure you remove it from the blocked section. As you can see, I will block a contact. Now to unblock it, just swipe on it to the left side and tap on Unblock. Just like that. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix cannot make phone calls on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.